How to set calendar default alert times for events, all day events on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After click on Calendar app, click on this three line icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Calendar settings, scroll down. Scroll down and click on Default Alert Times. After click on Default Alert Time, if you want to set calendar default alert time for event and all day event, so turn on this button. After turn on event button, you will select 10 minutes before, 1 hour before, 1 day before, all time of event and custom. And if you want to set all day events, click on all day event, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see day before event at 5 p.m., 2 days before event at 9 a.m. custom. After select, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set calendar before alert time for events, all day events on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.